You're making, like how you make a K step on the floor, you're making a V on the floor this time. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna face the back for this. You're gonna bring your right foot out, and then you're gonna bring your left foot out, and then your right foot's gonna come back in, and then your left foot's gonna come back in. So when you bring your right foot out, you wanna make sure you go to that right corner. So you're gonna have it like in a little diagonal. So you go 1, 2, and 3, 4. A little faster. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Or what I like to say is out, out, in. I'll show you guys. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, in. So you're going to start with your right foot. Again. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, in. Very good. Okay, we're going to face the front. Let's do this again. Going to that right corner, left corner, bring it in. So just out, out, in. Ready? And a 5, 6, 7, 8. And out, out, in. Good. One more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And out, out, in. And as you can see, you kind of create a V on the floor. And that's the V step. Pretty simple. These are simple moves, but they're always used in line dances, so that's why I'm teaching them to you guys. So then, when you learn them, you already know what you're going to do when you learn a line dance. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye!